In this video, we will be showing you how to install and set up the VMware Tools. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe it. So simply put, when you're in your VMware workstation, just hit the VM tab at the very top, and then you'll have the Install VMware Tools option. So go ahead and select that. You'll see a little pop-up in the bottom saying make sure that you're logged into the guest operating system. And you'll see this open up in the bottom where it says DVD drive D is here. So just go ahead and run that exe setup. Now I'm just going to install it on your server. Let's hit next. In this case, I will just do the typical install. I don't need anything other than that. And there you go. It says completed the VMware Tools setup wizard, and it made my windows much bigger, which is very nice. Must restart now to confirm the installation. So I'm just going to hit yes. And once that's done, we will be good to go. And it's just that simple.